Mari belajar, kita berkarya menjadi yang terbaik di udara lewat radio Suara Teknika. Satukan cita, wujudkan mimpi di SMK Negeri 3 Singaraja lewat radio Suara Teknika. Mari belajar, mari berkarya, satukan langkah, jangan pernah menyerah. Mari belajar, kita berkarya menjadi yang terbaik di udara lewat radio Suara Teknika. Satukan cita, wujudkan mimpi di SMK Negeri 3 Singaraja lewat radio Suara Teknika. Mari belajar, kita berkarya menjadi yang terbaik di udara lewat radio Suara Teknika. Satukan cita, wujudkan mimpi di SMK Negeri 3 Singaraja lewat radio Suara Teknika. Lewat radio Suara Teknika.
The best mix of music.
107.7 FM.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sahabat Teknika. We back again in another episode of Stereo, STEMC in English on the radio. So, how are you today, everyone? I hope whenever you go and wherever you go, I hope you are in happy and healthy condition. For today edition, 7th of August 2024, we are STEMC and we speaking English. So, okay, here beside me is our new guest today. She has got invited here before as a guest in Radio Suara Teknika. So then you might familiar with her. Her name is Gita and she is a student in SMK Negeri 3 Singaraja. Without any further delay, let's greet our new guest today. Hello Gita.
Hello Eka.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm good. What about you?
Oh, I'm feeling great today but I feel a little bit nervous.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's okay.
Have you take any breakfast today?
Of course I have. What about you?
Yeah, I have to. What did you have for breakfast anyway?
This morning I ate bread.
Oh, bread.
Yes.
With jam or
With
any?
chocolate.
Oh, with chocolate.
Chocolate jam,
Oh,
yes.
that sounds cool. So, Gita, can you introduce yourself to the audience, like about what is your name, what is your major, and which grade are you?
Okay, hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My full name is Putu Gita Kusmawardani. You can call me Gita. I'm in 12th grade and my major is TJKT or Computer Network Engineering and Telecommunication.
Oh, we are in the same
Yeah.
major anyway.
Yes.
Okay. Last month, got invited here in Oasis TMC.
Yes.
How do
right.
you feel when you get invited? Like, are you feel nervous or are you feel excited and happy?
Of course, I feel happy because for the first time I had been invited in one of our radio shows. Thank you for the opportunity, Suara Teknika.
Oh, that sounds so great. And in here, our radio, Suara Teknika, we have so much program like Set Stereo, Oasis, STEMC Flash, OPS, and so many more. So just watch it in our official YouTube SMK Negeri 3 Singaraja. Gita, have you ever wondered why do you choose to study in SMK Negeri 3 Singaraja? Why not rather than the other school? Like there are so many bunch of school in here in Singaraja, but why do you choose SMK Negeri 3 Singaraja?
Okay, because it is suggested by my parents.
Mhm.
They said there are various major in SMK Negeri 3 Singaraja, and one of them is my major I currently studying now, namely TJKT or Computer Network Engineering and Telecommunication.
So in STEMC were so many major, right?
Right.
I think it's a 10.
Yes,
Or-
yes.
Oh, do you remember which one?
Which one is construction building,
Oh yeah, we have construction building, and we have
electric,
design, communication, and
Yeah.
visual. Another like
electric engineering, machine engineering, and automotive.
Yeah. there are
automotive
so
engineering.
many major in here in SMK Negeri 3 Singaraja. So let's be the part of SMK Negeri 3 Singaraja. Gita, you choose TJKT as a major, right?
Right.
Why do you choose it? Like, why not TKV instead?
Okay. Because it is suggested by my parents, and I also feel like in the future there will many job opportunities required in that skill. So that's why I chose TJKT.
Oh yeah, right. We learn about networking, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a lot of work field in networking. I choose TJKT also because of that. So, as because you chose TJKT as your major, when you're learning TJKT, do you find any difficulties like in learning it or maybe the practice?
Of course, there are several difficult
Mm-hmm.
while I'm studying in my major. One of which is learning how to solve problems and how we find a solution for these problems.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's right. So may I know what's the problem?
Okay, the problem is when there a problem in the network,
Mm-hmm.
we have to be able to troubleshoot it,
Mm-hmm.
and we have to think critically so we can get a solution.
Oh yeah, that's right. So in the Jagati we must have a good logic and must think critically too.
Yes.
Okay. Because anyway, what about your best era in learning in TJKT?
My best era when I learning at the JKT major is when I was 11th grade last year or yesterday, because I practice a lot, and it's really fun for me.
Oh, so do you still remember which practice?
Maybe I remember when I am crimping
Oh,
cable,
crimping cable.
terus is and then when I learning how to build network.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I remembered about
Yeah.
that. Okay. So, fun fact, we both in the same class anyway, guys. I have this fun
That's
fact
true.
about her. She is a very active person in answering a question.
Thank you.
Since we are in the student orientation, I wonder somehow why this girl is so confident and so smart. Oh, so I wonder how do you gain that confidence? Because I know that's hard to speak English. Yeah, right. Because I have that problem too. So I wanna know.
Okay, actually I'm an introvert.
Oh, you are introvert?
Yes.
Oh.
So it's quite difficult to socialize,
Mhm.
especially when I'm speaking in front of many people.
Mhm.
But I believe that public speaking is one of the skill that we must have in order to increase our knowledge and networking.
Oh, do you have any tips to talk in the public? Because I still feel nervous and I need the tips. I need some tips from you.
Actually, I still nervous until today, but for the tips, maybe you can talk in the mirror first.
Mhm. Oh, practice in the mirror.
Yeah, practice in the mirror.
Like pretend that you in front of everyone.
Yes.
Oh, that's a good tips. Thank you,
Okay.
Gita.
You're welcome.
So, do you have any hobby?
Of course, I have hobby.
Oh, can you name it?
Okay, my hobbies are singing and watching K-drama.
Oh, singing and watching K-dramas. That's a
Yeah.
very interesting one. I also watching a K-drama anyways.
Really?
Yeah. Can you recommend me some title of K-drama?
Okay, maybe I recommendation the K-drama is Lovely Runner,
Uh-huh.
Legend of Lucy,
Mm-hmm.
and maybe A Descent of the Sun.
Oh, I heard of them before. So, and because you got me recommendation for that, I will watch it later. Okay.
Okay.
So you have singing as a hobbies.
Yes.
Can you tell me what your favorite song?
I like pop song.
Mm-hmm. And which I know, like, what song
What
do you like?
song? Okay. I like Ariana Grande.
Mhm.
The song is We Can Be Friends.
Oh, I know that one. Can you maybe sing it a little?
But my voice it's
Oh,
not good.
it's
But
not very
that's
good.
okay. Maybe I sing little bit.
Okay.
We can be friends, but I like you think we pretend. Maybe
Oh.
we
Oh, yes. Okay, we should do that. Okay.
the song is Ariana.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
3.
We can be friends, but I like to just be pretend.
You
Cling
cling
to your papers and then wait until you like me again.
Wow, it's
Okay.
amazing. Oh, your voice so soft and oh my god. it's a
Thank
good
you, but
song.
I not confident.
It's okay. You have must gain your
Okay.
confidence. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Because this is our last year in STEMC.
Yes.
How do you feel about being a senior?
Actually, I feel normal because there are no difference between 10, 11, or 12th grade.
Mm-hmm.
But in other side, I feel sad because this is our last year
Oh yeah,
at
that's right.
STEMC.
Because I feel so sad to
Yeah.
like, oh, time flies so fast,
Fast, yeah.
and we will get separated again. But that's
That's
fine
okay.
because we must go.
Yeah, we
Life must go on.
Yeah.
So,
Life
what is
gone.
your opinion about learning in English can be a key for everything in the future?
Okay, in this era of globalization, English is not function as a tool international communication,
Mm-hmm.
but also as a key to opening opportunities in the future. In that field is career, education, and social relations. Therefore, the importance why we have to learn English, especially like generation like us.
Oh yeah, that's right. Because now now everything is about English, right?
Yeah, right.
In game, in music, in maybe just
Drama,
drama.
maybe,
Yes, that's
film.
right. Oh, so we must start to learn English, just not in advance. You don't need to be in advanced level, but at least in the basic one.
Yeah, so keep learning and fighting.
That's right. Thank you, Gita.
Yes.
I wanna know, since when you start to learn English?
I learn English from elementary school.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I learning from fourth grade students.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. That's right. A middle. So in fourth grade, that's been
Mm-mm.
a long time.
Yeah,
right?
I'm learning English because English is a international communication, right?
Oh yeah, that's right. Why do you interesting in that part? Why do you interest in learning English? Like in another reason?
Because English, as what I said before, English can be a key for many opportunities.
Oh, So do you choose to
Learning
English? Oh, that's great. Oh yeah, I heard you've been participate in English competition before.
Yes.
May you tell us more about that?
Okay. I took a part in English poetry reading last year. That was held by Undiksa, and I managed to win runner-up third.
Oh, that's great. Runner up third.
Thank you.
That's good thing to do. Okay. Are you joining any organization here
Of
in
course.
STEMC?
Yes.
Oh, what kind of organization are you participate?
I'm joining several organizations, including the Scout organization or Ambalan Wisnu Laksmi, and then MOK or MPK OSIS Kamtip, and the last one is PIKR Andrayuga. But outside of school, I joining organization Fatbuleleng and Fakecasawan.
Oh, that's a lot of
Yes.
organization that you join. Because of so many organization that you join, how do you manage your time? Like, we are in the last year of STEMC here. We are senior. Then there are bunch of assignment from the teacher, right? So
Right.
how do you manage your time between organization and the assignment?
Okay, I participate in organization after finishing my activities at school because my priority is learning.
Yeah, okay, that's good because we have to prioritize the learning before the organization, right?
Yes.
Okay. Wow, so time flies so fast, right?
Right.
So how do you feel after attending Stereo STEMC?
Of course, I feel happy because I got invited again and I can improve my communication skill in English.
Oh,
Yes.
interesting.
Yes. And I hope Radio Suara Teknika can more grow and have many listeners.
Thank you, Gita.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So that's all. That's a lot of question from you. That okay, and that's all from me. Thank you so much, Gita, for attending
You're welcome, Eka.
our radio STEMC, especially in stereo. I'm so glad that you came and want to be interviewed with by me. And also want to tell you, I want to tell the audience that here in SMK Negeri 3 Singaraja, we have so many extra and organization like MOK, PMR, Ambalan, and so many more. So, and we have a bunch of program here in Radio Suara Teknika. So, let's join us in SMK Negeri 3 Singaraja. Thank you everyone for watching our
you.
video and listening to our radio. See you last but not least. Thank you and see you next week. Bye.
Bye.